is a math sign on the screen hiding somewhere. Can you see it? Look around. Look, look, look. Yes, I can see it, and I'm sure you can as well. This is a plus sign. Yes, a plus sign. And what does it do? It tells us that we need to add up our numbers. When you see this sign between two numbers, it means we must add up. Now, here is a number. This is the number 25. And here is another number. What number is it? That's right. Now, what are we to do with these two numbers? Oh, there is a plus sign now. What do you think we need to do? Yes, this means we need to add up these numbers. Do we count on when we need to add up these numbers? Well, we can. So we can add up on count on by saying 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32. 25 plus 7 would give us 32. And you can do that by using your fingers to count on. Now, counting on can be easy when you are not really working with very big numbers. So let us take a look at these bigger numbers. We have 25 plus 12. Do you think it will be faster to count on? So if we want to count from 25 up to 12, we would have to go 26, 27, 28. This can get very tiring. So a quick, easy way to add up two-digit numbers would be to arrange them vertically like this according to the place value. And then we start adding up, starting with the unit numbers or ones. So instead of counting on from 25 up to 12, all we need to do is to arrange these two numbers vertically. So we have 25. We put the 5 under the units and 2 under the tens. And we do the same for the next number, which is the number 12. Put the number 2 under the units and the number 1 under the tens. Remember, we need to add our plus sign. Don't forget that. So please add that there too. If you have done it correctly, you should have exactly what I have on my screen. 25 plus 12. Now we have arranged these numbers vertically. Let us start adding up. Remember, we add up starting with the unit numbers, and then we move on to the numbers under the tens. Okay? All right, so let us do that. If we are to add up the unit numbers, we simply go 5 plus 2. Add 2 to 5, that would give us 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is going to give us 7. We are going to place our 7 under the units and then move on to the tens. Now for the tens, we have 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will give us 3. And we put the 3 down. Now what is our final answer? 3 and 7, that would be 37. You see, it was quick and easy. Now let us take this a bit higher. How about we add up 25 plus 19? Do we count on? Remember, it can get tiring to count on and to count 26, 27, 28, 29 till you get to 19. So what is the quick and easy way I just taught you? Right. All we have to do is to arrange the numbers vertically like this. So you put your place value, tens and units, and then you arrange these two numbers under the place value. So let us start with the first number, 25. 5 goes under the units and 2 will go under the tens. The next number is 19. 9 will go under the units and 1 will go under the tens. Remember your plus sign. Put that there. Yeah. Now let us start. Remember, we add up the units first. Okay? So we have 5 plus 9. What would that give us? Yeah, we can count on starting with the bigger number. So you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, do we put the 14 right under the units? No, no, no. We do not do that. Remember, the number 14 is a two-digit number. It is not a unit number, so we can't just put the whole 14 under the units place. So what do we do instead? Yeah, we are going to put 4 down as the unit, and we're going to take 1 over to the tens place. That's what we are going to do. So you put 4 down and you carry 1 over to the tens place. Now it's time to add all the numbers in the tens place. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 1. Remember, we carried 1 over to the tens place. So 1 plus 2 would give us 3. And if we add 1 to that, that's going to give us 4. And we put our phone down like this. So we are going to have 4 and 4, and that is 44. 25 plus 19 is going to give you 44. Fantastic, right? I'm sure this was easy. Today, we have learned how to add up two-digit numbers, haven't we? So you don't have to count on anymore. That's going to take a whole lot of time. Instead, you arrange your numbers vertically and start adding up, starting with the units. Now, how about you try this on your own? 39 plus 22. Can you add that up? You can pause this video to work it out. What would that give you? Was your answer 61? Then you're right. That is the correct answer. Remember, the first thing we need to do is to arrange the numbers vertically and put our place value. Then we start adding, starting with the units first, and we move on to where? The tens. So if we are to do this together, let's go. Starting with the units, 9 plus 2, let's count on. 9, 10, 11. That's going to give us 11. Do we write 11 under the units? No, no, no. We write the unit number and carry the tens number to the tens place. So we write 1 down and carry 1 over to the tens place. Now it's time to add up the tens. For the tens, we are going to have 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 would give us what? 4. And if we add 2 to that, we are going to get 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 6. And that is how we arrived at the number 61. Good job. If you have done this correctly, you're going to get the same answer. Bye-bye.